Introducing the Jameson Fiber Installation Kit, the ultimate fatigue-free, time-saving solution for flat-drop FTTH fiber installation. Proudly made in the USA, our end-to-end installation kit includes the fiber driver, the spool mule, and the fiber winder. The fiber driver. This cost-efficient and ergonomically designed tool achieves 10 times faster installation, pushing up to 300 feet in under 30 seconds using a standard power drill. The spool mule effortlessly transports and pays out fiber directly from the spool, disassembles into a compact footprint for easy storage. The fiber winder. It efficiently and neatly bundles up to 200 feet of fiber cable for convenient storage before the next stage of installation. Our team of engineering experts conducted a rigorous 300-foot straight test run, and once the fiber driver completed its run, the hand-over-hand installation continued, highlighting the stark contrast in efficiency. The engineer on the left is using the fiber driver for installation, whereas engineer on the right is installing fiber using the traditional hand-over-hand method. The results were 10 times faster than traditional methods, showcasing unparalleled efficiency and zero fatigue. Rapidly deploying live fiber to numerous homes within a short time frame has become the new industry standard. Other fiber installation methods require time-consuming setups. The fiber driver is up and running within minutes. Notice that the hand-over-hand method takes considerably longer, whereas the fiber driver completes the task much faster. As we highlighted before, the test results demonstrate that the Jameson Fiber Driver makes installation 10 times faster compared to manual hand-over-hand techniques.